View mode in Affinity Designer. You can access three most important buttons up here: pixel view mode, retina pixel, and wireframe mode. As you can see, they are vector, and if you zoom, they don't lose their quality. But from here, if you want to export it, and when you export something, you export it in a JPEG, PNG, and they will turn to the pixels, and you want to see the pixel mode. If you when you export, you can just you change the view, and this is in pixel mode. These are vector line, and these are pixel. It shows you, okay, if you want to export them as a pixel, you can see something like this. It is just changing the view. It does not change your vector to the pixel. It just change the view for you. Retina pixels, it's a little bit more quality of pixels. And the outline, here you can see outline of your work with it's changed your, for example, these lines are intersection to each other, and you can see the outline. That's it. You can access more options from view, and the view mode here, very important. Pixel, retina, vector. This is our simple vector. In a wireframe, you can use X-ray also. X-ray, that it is it, this mode. X-ray or wireframe outline. You can see just outline of your objects. Nice. You can turn it on or off here. View mode, and you can see, okay, if you want X-ray, if you hit that button, if it turn off X-ray or wireframe. That's how I like X-ray. Nice. And view mode. You can see your object with grayscale, with no image color, if you want grayscale. If you want to turn your vectors or art to in pixel in a grayscale, sorry, you can see this. It does not change it to the grayscale, just you can see that. Don't forget. Another important thing is here. Going to the view mode, turn hide effects. For example, I have lots of effects here. I will explain the effects later. For example, this is in 3D. Yeah, I make one to 3D. Give it to the outer shadow to that. And lots of effects from here. You want to turn them off just a second. Going to the view in a view mode, and from the here you can hide all of the effects, and you can just see the solid of your objects. Then you can turn it off again to see better. In the view mode, we are in a vector. Yeah, everything is okay. Single view or splitted. Here you can change between the pixel or vector. You can see splitted view if you want. For example, it's a vector or outline. Just click one of these and compare them to each other. For example, you want to again vector or pixel, you can see them. Select it. You want to change it to the retina pixel or vector in outline mode. You can select it here and turn the outline off. It's a splitted view. It means this part is another screen, this part is another screen. You have to just select it to see the options. For example, here you want to change the option. Just select it and change change the setting of that. That's it. Going to view. Sorry for my nice. Another important thing is when the object is out of the document and you can see them. In the most time, I love this option and I want to see my object outside of document. It's very important when you export that. As you can see, they are not exported, cut. So if you want to clipping them, you can go to the view mode and clip to canvas and they will be cut. And if you going outside your canvas, they will not be appear there. So I like it. I want to don't clip them to see them better. Okay, that's it.